Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockroom Supply, and today I want to talk about Wrecker Power and how they have a real knack for making just the right size machine for woodworkers that want to do high quality work with maybe not the biggest shops. Now when we talk about lathes, usually we start with a mini lathe here where you may not have a lot of capacity, and when you want to upgrade, you look at a full-size machine. Now not everyone has the space, power, or funds to get into a machine like this. So the first machine I was introduced to with Wrecker Power was the Coronet Herald. So it is essentially the nicest benchtop lathe you can get. Now I have it on a stand here, but you got 14 inches worth of swing, a 1.25 horse motor, but what really makes it the ideal lathe for small shops is the fact that the headstock will swivel, and that will allow you to do outboard turning all the way up to 21-inch diameter. So if you want to do really big diameter stuff, you can absolutely do that. Now when we're talking about dust collectors, usually we start with a shop vac here with a 2.5-inch port, often a little bit bigger than that, and they work fine on smaller tools. But when we get into larger tools, we need something with a 4-inch port that'll handle, so we'll get a bigger dust collector like this. Now these take up a pile of space. They're not terribly flexible because they require hard ducting, or else you lose a ton of power through your flex pipe. So that's where the Wrecker Power Cam Vac really excels. It'll handle your large tools with that 4-inch port, but also anything 4-inch and smaller, it will handle, unlike your full-size dust collectors. And it has a very, very small footprint, which is awesome. And because of the power it produces, 4-horsepower collector, it will actually outperform many of these larger collectors here too. So for those reasons, the Cam Vac is the ideal small shop dust collector. So when we're looking at bandsaws, you basically got two different options. You can start with a benchtop model like this, or you can go to a full-size 14. Now, issue with the benchtop, not a lot of capacity, not very big tables, not a lot of horsepower, but to step all the way to a 14, it's a little bit of quite a significant price jump, and a lot more space in your shop. So Wrecker Power, they've done it again. So this is their Sabre 300 bandsaw. So it's just about halfway between the benchtop and a full 14-inch. You still got a ton of resaw capacity. You still got a horse and a half motor, and you got a nice big table with tons of accessories that are available for it. And I did a video on this, and I'll link it up top, that goes through all the specifications of this bandsaw. But Wrecker Power, yeah, they just have a real knack of making just the right size machine if you're a hobbyist and you want to do high-end woodworking, but you don't necessarily have a ton of space. So yeah, if anybody else has any questions, you can email me at info@stockroomsupply.com or just comment on the video. Thanks for watching.